Yeah, this is the storm 2017 March. HVAC. Mike. Look at this here, boy. This is what I've been doing since this morning. Been doing all this stuff here this morning since 5 o'clock in the morning. Look at this here. Yeah, Mike HVACR. This is what I've been doing all morning. This is bad. It's coming down like hail and snow and rain. New York City, HVACR. Oh yeah. This is March, boy. Winter storm. Look at this crap. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's my frame right there. Yeah, this is pretty bad, boy. But, you know. Winter storm. Oh yeah, New York City. New York City. They say it's supposed to stop like 12, but I don't think so. This is pretty bad. Hold the job. Yeah, I'm still out here. Mike, HVAC. And I'm still clearing snow here. You know? Yeah, so this is the other building I work for right here. It's a brownstone. Costs a lot of money. About $2 million selling it. So you know, I also work for them too, clearing out the snow. Boy, I tell you, what a day today. Been up since 5 o'clock in the morning shoveling snow. Hopefully nobody called me for fixing boilers and stuff, you know. So hot water is good, heating is good, so I'm doing good so far. New York City. New York City, boy. Snowstorm. Yeah, we over here clearing the church too. Helping the church out, you know. Got my boy Raymond too, you know. He's working too, you know. Boy Raymond, boy.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, YouTube? Yeah, my boy Raymond, boy, he's helping me too here, you know. Ain't this guy, you know. So we're pretty good so far, you know. It's calming down now. It's just drizzling and water, stuff like that, like 12 o'clock, you know. So, all right, YouTube.